After opening the model, we're going to begin to prepare to do a study on it. First, we'll switch to the simulation workspace. Once we've switched to the simulation workspace, we'll select the type of study that we want to conduct. We'll start out by using static stress and selecting Create Study. The appearance of the model will change to reflect the materials that are assigned to the components. In this case, both components have steel applied to them. Looking at the model, we don't need all of this detail. First, we don't need the bolt to be included at all, and it's a common practice to remove small, non-structural fillets from a design as well. To do this, we'll enter the Simplify workspace. On the main toolbar, I'll select Simplify. The browser will reflect the structure of the design. Under Model Components, I can see we have a body, which is the main yoke that was modeled at the root of the design. A bolt was added later. After clicking on the bolt, I can remove it from the study by selecting Remove in the context menu. Now we've simplified the design. In the Simplification workspace, we can not only remove components from the simulation, but we can add geometry or modify geometry. Under the modification tools, we have a number of options of using direct modeling features. We can remove faces from the model, or we can use the Remove Features tool to help us select specific types of features. Starting the Remove Features tool, and then selecting the body that I want to work on, it will immediately show me some of the features based on the feature size. Moving it to the right, we'll select larger and larger features, and moving it to the left, smaller features. You can also use the filters down below to ignore any holes, chamfers, fillets, or other types of feature. For this model, I want to keep the fillets that connect the U-shaped portion to the two end bosses and the center section, but I will remove the small fillets on the edge. So I'll reduce the feature size a little bit more till only those are highlighted, then click Delete down at the bottom of the dialog. This will make those edges sharp and automatically select the next smallest feature. We're done now, so we'll click Close. This is a good simplification for the model. Now we'll finish Simplify and return back to the simulation workspace. Next, we'll go through the process of selecting materials and then continue on to adding constraints and loads and solving the study.